All right, we have seen these. These are the new View from Wildwood, and they have got, for one thing, they got massive windows. Tanya, you are gonna love the windows on these RVs. These are some all-new style floor plans from the Forest River lines.
Open the door.
First of all, look at the couch.
I think this is it, Dad.
Look at the couch.
It'd be so funny if it wasn't. See?
I told him there's a secret door, and she found the pantry. Where is the bunkhouse?
That's definitely not the bunkhouse. Bunkhouse. Where are you? How do you open it? I think I found it. It has to be the closet. It's the closet! Where is the bunkhouse, Dad? It's not a bunkhouse.
Man,
She's like, how do I do it? How do I open it? Which way?
the secret is so secretive.
How do I? Show us. I don't know how to open it.
Man, they almost made it too good, y'all.
I told you.
Did you?
Okay, all right, look. Right there. Look right there.
What am I looking at?
The handle to open the secret door.
Where?
Okay, but now, hold on, you gotta watch that other thing. Okay, they may not have fully thought this through, Wildwood. Because that's gonna scrape up the wall. Make sure that latches. You found... Diddle-diddle-diddle-doo.
It needs air conditioning. Oh, it
Oh.
does. Oh, why am I in here?
I bunketed my head.
Oh no.
Okay, well, let's look at what it does have. Look at those cube storages down at the end.
Oh wow, that's really cute.
But the ones on the top you can't even open though until the bed goes down. You want to put the bed down?
No.
Look at the steps they put you for to get up to the bed.
I'm not that short.
Okay, Kira, lay down.
Oh, what?
That was loud.
Dad!
What happened?
I feel unsafe.
The bed opened.
Oh, she screamed.
Now crawl. Can you crawl up there with those steps they put there?
I'm hoping.
And there's a little bar stool right here with a little countertop.
I'm too
A lot
big.
of windows.
I'm too big for
Oh, so much. Look at those windows.
Look at this. And this can turn into like a seat.
You got plugins in here. You have, well, that's a heater vent. There's no AC vent in here. It's hot in here, y'all.
Let me escape.
It is hot in that room.
I want to look.
All right, I'm gonna look at the kitchen. Mom's gonna go look at the bunk room. So instead of a dining room table, they have a cool thing is, look, you can get out. This is like a panic room.
Yeah.
You can get out once you're in.
This is where I go to hide from my cousins.
Right? Until somebody figures out where it's at.
Yeah.
And look at how big these windows are. This is why it's called the Wildwood View. Because they put these massive windows. All the windows are huge. So instead of a dining room table, there's 4 bar stools back here to sit kind of around the kitchen. You see this, Mom?
Yes, I did.
4 plus this sink. Hey, no bumping the noggin when I go to wash the dishes here. Nice window under there.
I don't like that it's not a full sink.
Yes.
Split sink.
But you know, even Grand Design doesn't do a full sink. And everybody's like, ooh, Grand Design. So, but where's the TV?
It's a mystery.
I don't think there is one.
I think you're supposed to put the TV.
So, you get a secret bonus room, but you get no TV.
No TV.
But you get lots of windows. This is, to me, honestly, when I think about this, this is the true luxurious camper. This isn't meant for, I live in my RV.
No.
This is like pure luxury for those people that just weekend camp. They want to enjoy the outdoors with these huge windows. I cannot get over how big this window is. Yes, this is the glamping for the weekender. This window is huge. Looks like we've got a 12-volt refrigerator. So I guess the biggest issue that I see is the air conditioning in the secret room.
Yeah.
Now that's just one of them. There's 2 floor plans like this. I don't know if we'll find the other one. What do y'all think of the couch? If only
I think it's great.
there was a TV.
Yeah.
Yes.
I didn't see the other rooms. I was so excited about the other stuff. I'm gonna be.
The door is... Look at the door. Look at that round curvature to the...
Oh, I'm taking a shower.
Oh my goodness! I like this style of door. That's pretty cool.
I feel tall. I'm tall.
Nice skylight. Yeah, you're taller than me. So this bed lifts up in here. That's cool. Still massive windows in the bedroom.
Oh, where's the air conditioning?
It's right here. It's off for some reason. So it's not, it's got 2 air conditioners, but it's not climate control back here. It's just kind of like the old school motel. Full washer dryer hookup here in this closet. No bar. I would think there'd be some kind of a bar for optional for your clothes if you wanted to hang your clothes. You can hang clothes up there. Someone left their reading glasses. That's funny. All right, we grabbed the guy that works Forest River. He helped me figure out why it was so hot in the secret bunk room. And here's what we found out. I don't know if I can get up there high enough. The microphone is in the way. You're all sideways. That's the AC ducting coming down. And that's a fan that you turn on from the bunk room that sucks the cold air and forces it out to the bunk room.
I love it.
Now I've got the good mic on, so you probably can hear this. That ain't quiet. There's the vent. You can hear the fan nice and loud, and here's the switch. I would almost want to invest in a quieter fan. I bet we could do a better fan than that that would be quieter. I mean, overall, girls, as far as if we were to get a smaller RV, there's a lot of things I like about this. Mom wouldn't be able to go with this though, because it would never have the storage space that she needs for her art supplies. So that would be kind of the deal breaker on this one for us. If we'd started in this, we probably would still be in this. That's what we think about when we say, you know, if we would have started with an RV like this, we probably would not have upgraded to a big fifth wheel.